Hello everyone, I'm Run Zhongchen. Today, I would like to introduce the artist Cai Guoqiang and how he uses explosion art to awaken people's environmental awareness and spirituality. First, let's introduce his biography. Cai Guoqiang was born in Fujian, China in 1957 and has since spent a long time working and living in New York City. He's famous for using gunpowder and fireworks to showcase his art. His most significant achievement was serving as the fireworks director for the 2008 Beijing Olympics. I chose him to introduce to everyone because I'm also from Fujian, China, and I have always loved watching fireworks since childhood. Gunpowder and fireworks are usually destructive, but Cai Guoqiang uses them to express nature and vitality, as well as people's spiritual pursuits. His creative process seems a little crazy. Sometimes he would light gunpowder on paper, but and the black marks produced by the burning of the gunpowder would form various patterns on the paper. Sometimes gunpowder is also ignited in the air, creating three-dimensional scenes. The first artwork is the Sky Ladder. It was made of fireworks and was about 1,650 feet tall. It expresses humanity's longing for the sky and the gods, as well as the connection between heaven and earth. The second one is Fallen Blossoms. Cai Guoqiang created a huge flower-shaped explosion using gunpowder outside the Philadelphia Museum of Art. It um, it reflects the beauty and fragility of nature, as well as its prosperity and decline. Cai Guoqiang doesn't use gunpowder to create all of his artworks. These artworks consist of 99 animal sculptures in a scene of drinking water, expressing the harmony of nature. Water symbolizes the shared life and purity across cultures. Now consider two questions. First, Cai Guoqiang uses fireworks and explosions to symbolize his nature and vitality. However, some people believe that this artistic process could damage the environment. Do you think that such a sacrifice is acceptable in order to encourage people to protect the environment? Second one, art like this that explode might only last for a few seconds. Do you think such a short-term impact is more likely to be remembered? Or is it better to display an oil painting that can be viewed for a long time? This is my complete presentation. Thank you all for watching.